So this is 29 Goodsell Crescent. It's a 612 metre squared block at a high point at the far end of Lamb Island on a no through road. These are all waterfront houses over this side. And so this block has a few good things going for it. So water access is just down at the end of the street there, and this one actually has water connected and the septic system installed. It's a new system, and hardly been used. I don't even think it's been used. So here is water connection. Bigger block at 612 metres squared, and it also has a water tank. Water tank. And a shed. The floor needs replacing. And a septic system here. So the trenches are down here. And that's the septic tank. So the block's been planted out with lots of these little, I think they're cypress pines. It's a septic tank. So the boundary is this red marker just here. And it's about a 18 metre frontage, road frontage. So ideally, so the septic system is down here. You would position the house at this higher point here, where you may even get water glimpses. You can see there is the water just there. So here is the other corner here.